Guess what I just have right now. It is the organ donation. What's actually funny is that it says here Organspendeausweis, which is organ donation uh, like ID. So if I die, for example, in a car crash, or if for some reason, I don't know, I get HIV or whatever, then I will, and I die, whatever, and then no, I can't, you can't die, you can't do that. No, let's just say that I just die for no reason. This means that whoever finds my body can take my organs for donation. And if, for example, they find it in my house, not in my wallet, then my family, I have to wait until these people go. Get up. If this is found in my house, then my family has to legally give my organs to somebody. Because the thing is, I've been thinking over, if I have the chance to save somebody's life, let's just say a couple of people, that maybe a child or somewhere that they need these organs, I would rather give it to them than let it rot in some box. The thing is, I take care of my heart, my brain, my lungs, my kidneys. I take care of them. I drink plenty of water. I don't eat crap, okay? I eat sometimes, but I don't eat it so much so that I will have some deterioration of my body. And I think everyone should give some form of organ donation, because I don't want to give a kidney because I know there are some effects of it and there are lots of risks for giving a kidney, but this is really important. I mean, I've already accepted that I'm just this thing in the universe that made out of cells, made out of cellulose, whatever, made out of water, made out of carbon, and that we exist here, and that if my body can help and improve somebody else's life, potentially save somebody's life, why the fuck will I not give it? So I really do encourage that y'all will do it. It's a very important thing to know and discuss, because this is a very important thing. I feel very proud to do this. Oh yeah, I'm also going to Berlin Pride. I think last year I didn't because I was gonna watch a movie. Oh yeah, I was gonna watch The Fault in Our Stars, and it was supposed to be a date, but of course I didn't. Of course something had to go wrong, and that's how it happened. And then now I am going home to eat lunch. And there's no way I'm jogging in this weather. So I'm going to be doing some yoga after I eat, which is later, because my stomach is starving for food. Oh my god. We didn't exercise yesterday. And I think it's very important that we do exercise, you know. Hello car. Ooh, it's starting to rain. Really heavily. Not heavily, but yeah. It's not as bad as last week when it was like tsunami style instead of dripping. Yeah, I don't think there's any way I'm gonna go outside today to exercise. I'll just keep it in. And I'll watch the rest of Sense8. I actually watched the first two, almost done with the second episode, but it was awesome. And I don't know what else, because I really want to jog, but at the same time, the flexibility is more important. So you should have a total, I'll maybe do an hour, let's say 30 minutes, just do one of those things of yoga, and then I'll be happy. I need to find a place where I can buy a proper yoga mat, so that I won't have to constantly, what do you call it, I got distracted. Find a new way to exercise. You know what's so sexy though? When guys when they're fixing their hair, especially when it's good. Especially when it's good, it's amazing. It's like good. It just drives me crazy though. Ooh, I think they're hooking up. Come on! Befolkningsmorde. Oh my god! The lady. Befolkningsmorde.